Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use ChatGPT to make money through writing content. This guide will provide you with the essential strategies to achieve your goals. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. One of the most crucial steps in starting a side hustle in content writing is finding a niche that not only interests you, but is also profitable. It's important to target a niche with a demand for content, where you can easily position yourself as a knowledgeable writer. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to help us identify some of these profitable niches. So here's the prompt that I just put together. So here it is. I just said, greetings, ChatGPT. I want to start a side hustle in content writing. Can you help me identify some profitable niches that are in demand right now, particularly ones that I can easily break into as a beginner? See, let's send this off right about now. Now that we've asked ChatGPT for guidance, now let's see what niches it suggests. So it starts off with health and wellness, personal finance, digital marketing, tech reviews and how-tos. Yeah, the rest here are quite simple topics that you can delve into with those subtopics. And yeah, pretty simple actually. Quite helpful as well from ChatGPT. So, with these niche suggestions from ChatGPT, we now have a clear direction. Whether you're passionate about technology, health, or even lifestyle topics, there's a niche out there, here, even in the list as well, that ChatGPT had suggested for you, that where you can thrive. Thanks, ChatGPT. Now that you've identified a profitable niche, the next step is to create content that stands out. Crafting a high quality article tailored to your niche not only showcases your expertise, but also helps build trust with your audience. Now let's see how ChatGPT can guide us through this process. So here's the prompt that I just come up with right here. So let's say the niche that I just chose is self improvement and productivity. So I selected this from the list of recommended niches from ChatGPT during the previous segment. So I'd say this one as the primary focus. And here's another one that I added in my prompt. So I asked, can you guide me through the process of writing a high quality article for this niche? And so let's hit enter. Now we've just asked ChatGPT to outline the steps for writing a compelling article in our chosen niche. And here are the step-by-step guides. So let's see a specific topic, then research it, introduction, right there. This is how it happened right here. Next, now, each of them, there's a bit of an explanation in Get All Details, and each of them has an example just to guide me more helpfully. Here we go. There's the proofreading, conclusion, and yeah, that's about it. So, with this, ChatGPT had just generated a full-on step-by-step guide just to help me out in creating the article content that I'll be planning to write. Now, with these steps in hand, you're well on your way to creating content that not only informs, but also engages your readers. But writing a great article doesn't just stop at just the content. There's more to consider, like structure, keyword usage, and audience engagement. Now, let's ask ChatGPT again for specific tips on these crucial elements. So let's go down here in the prompt box and I'll insert my prompt here. Like, here we go. So I said, also, ChatGPT, would you please include tips on structuring the article, keyword usage, and engaging the target audience? See, I made the prompt a bit more conversational, just to say the least. Now, let's hit enter once again and see how ChatGPT would recommend it more info for us. Now that we've asked for more detailed guidance, let's see how to organize our articles effectively, use keywords to boost visibility, and ensure that our readers are fully engaged through the help of ChatGPT right here. And so, as it currently processes, here are the detailed guide that ChatGPT had come up with. We'll scroll back up after that. So here, for now, there's the keyword usage, primary, secondary, long tail. There's the title, introduction, subheading, body, and meta description. There's engaging the target audience, even more guide to help you out. There's an example once again, just to understand even more better with you creating the written content that you're planning to. There's also additionals like ask questions, visual elements. Oh, there's even a bonus right there, right for readability. And there we go. So let's scroll up once more for final walkthrough for this one. Here's the first one here. And it says structuring the article. Start with the title, introduction, body, and the words, number of words, conclusion, and yeah, that's about it. So, by following these pieces of advice, you'll not only create content that ranks well, but also captivates your readers, making them more likely to return for more. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Once you've crafted your article, the next step is to make sure it gets seen by as many people as possible. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can significantly boost its visibility, leading to more readers and ultimately more earnings. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us with that. And so here's another prompt that I come up with here. So I say, ChatGPT, how can I optimize my articles for SEO to increase visibility and maximize earnings? So yeah, this is just as I stated earlier. And so let's hit enter and let ChatGPT do all the work from there. Now, we've asked ChatGPT to give us the fundamentals of SEO optimization. So this is crucial because even the best content won't perform well if it's not optimized for search engines. And now here are the following key strategies that ChatGPT had recommended. Keyword research, there's create high quality, valuable content, optimize headlines and meta descriptions. Let's see, use internal, external links. There's also right here, optimize for readability, focus on page speed and mobile optimization. Then there's the following the rest here. I think ChatGPT, yeah, usually generates up to 10 on the list each. So yeah, that's basically it for this. These SEO tips are essential for getting your content in front of the right audience. But understanding the strategies right here, as just listed here, is just the beginning. There's also implementing them effectively is what will really set your content apart. Now, let's go down here in the prompt box and ask ChatGPT for specific strategies and examples so we can apply these techniques, all of these, more effectively in our writing. So here's another prompt that I just come up with. And so here it is. With this request, we're looking to get actionable advice that we can directly apply to our content. Now let's see what strategies ChatGPT recommends and how we can put them to work for us. Oh, it looks like we got two options right here. So each one right here. Oh, looks like we got strategies and let's see, steps to implement. Oh, looks like there we go. My apologies. Oh, to ChatGPT. There we go. Look, it's speed generating right now. There's like examples just to make it more understandable for us to learn these advices. And yeah, and so by implementing these SEO techniques, you'll not only improve your content's visibility, but also maximize its earning potential, turning your writing style hustle into a profitable venture. Look at that. So many details, content right here that ChatGPT had recommended for us. Quite helpful, I must say. Thanks, ChatGPT. Now that you've honed your writing skills and optimized your content for SEO, it's time to take the next step, finding clients and monetizing your work. Whether you're looking to sell your articles or offer your services as a freelance writer, knowing where to start can make all the difference. Now let's ask ChatGPT once again for some advice on finding the right platforms and opportunities. And so here's another prompt example that I just come up with. So let's say, so ChatGPT, now that I have a few articles written, now how can I find clients or platforms to monetize my content? So we're about to ask ChatGPT for some advice on finding the best places to showcase and sell our writing. And then once I hit enter and send this, then ChatGPT will provide like so many options out there just to have a targeted approach that could help us make the most of our efforts. So let's go. And so as it currently processes, and here are the following. First up, freelance marketplaces. Just for you to find freelance work, just say, let's say Fiverr or Upwork, then content platforms, and there are a few suggestions or advices like there, like vocal media, so on and so forth. Going down here, there's also LinkedIn and social media. Yes, this can be helpful as well with the Facebook groups and mainly job groups, that is. You can find like job opportunities there. Just be cautious on where to find the opportunities. Some may be authentic and real, some might be a scam. So just be cautious with this. And there's also start your own blog and content agencies like Content Writers and Verblio. And yeah, so with these recommendations, you now have a solid list of platforms where you can start offering your writing services or selling your content. I wish you the best of luck finding your opportunities. Now that we've covered how to write engaging and optimize content, let's talk about how you can take it a step further by building and monetizing your written content. Whether you're blogging, creating newsletters, or contributing to online platforms, turning your content into a revenue stream is entirely possible. Now let's use ChatGPT to create a content calendar for the next 3 months. So here's the prompt. Yep, just as I stated right here. And yep, we'll focus on a specific niche. So let's say minimalist living. And then let's send this off and see how ChatGPT would provide us with a content calendar. Here we go. And so the processing begins. It might take a while. And yep, here we go. So this is what it came up with so far. There's month one, decluttering and organizing. Here are the list of suggestions of post titles. There's content focus with each of the topic. Month two. Here we go. There's minimalist finances, for example, how to simplify your money and spending. There's month three, focusing on mental health for that week. Next, we have travel. And then We have like sustainable minimalism. And yeah, here's the content calendar that ChatGPT generated. As you can see, we have a variety of article ideas, all geared up towards the minimalist living niche. Pretty cool, huh? Now that you have a content plan, the next step is monetizing it. There are multiple ways to do this through ads, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored posts. So let's ask ChatGPT down here as I created a prompt here. So let's see. Here we go. So I want ChatGPT to help us brainstorm affiliate products that align with the minimalist living theme. And then you can draft a product review for one of them. We'll also ask for let's see, a draft for an outreach email just to pitch potential sponsors. And yep, once everything details and all crafted together into a prompt. Let's send this off once more and have ChatGPT do all the work from there. As you can see, here's what ChatGPT had suggested so far. And yeah, starting off with affiliate product ideas. On one of them, capsule wardrobe essentials, like blah, blah, blah. Compact storage solutions. Now, here's a sample product review just in case. Right here. There we go. As you can see, it may take a while. And they'll get there with the sample outreach email. And here it is. ChatGPT has given us some solid affiliate product ideas, a well written product review, and a professional outreach email template. So these tools are exactly what you need to start monetizing your content without compromising on quality. And that wraps up our guide on how to make money through writing content with ChatGPT. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in starting or scaling your writing side hustle. And with that, thank you for watching, everybody.